Welcome to the Tinkas. Well, I don't know how much do you know about the name behind this Tinkas. So the reason I named it the Tinkas, it's because it's my name actually. So my name is Kasturi and my nickname is Tinky. So I collaborated both and I made it the Tinkas so that it will be a little unique and catchy, because if I give my name as Kasturi Majumdar, that sounds really like, I mean, there's so many Kasturi Majumdars, but I guess there's only one the Tinkas as of now. So as of now, as in today is June 22, and as of June 22, 2019, there's only one Tinkas, that's me. So please like, share, subscribe to the Tinkas, follow me on Instagram, like my FB page, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So basically today is day 4 in Taiwan. This is our last day in Taiwan. So we checked out and from a hotel, and it was a nice stay in our hotel. It was lovely rooms and the complimentary breakfast was also nice. So it was like you don't feel like having lunch, because as if you're having brunch. So yeah, that's quite heavy. So now it's afternoon, around 12 p.m. in Taiwan, and today we are planning, since it's the last day, so we kept our luggage in the hotel room, and now we are going to roam this place because we have a flight in the midnight. That's 12. Tonight midnight at 12 a.m. That's the next day. So today's Saturday, and now we are going to go to a ropeway. It's called as cable car. It's called as a gondola cable car. So the name is really funny because I'm Bengali, and gondogol means some jhamela. So it sounds like that to me. So hopefully there's no jhamela there. So yeah, so we're ready to go. So we were staying in Xiami. So this place is Xiami, and this place is also famous for the Red House. So we were just crossing by, so I thought, okay, before going to the gondola cable car, let's just visit this Red House. So let me give you a look. So this is the Red House. See this Red House. So basically this Red House was constructed in 1908 by Japanese architect Kondo Juro, so which was the first government public, this place, and it was the first government public market in Taiwan, and also the most well preserved class 3 historic building in the nation. So the Red House consists of so many things: an octagonal display and hall as the grand entrance for this, and people visiting is from all around the world, just like me. And so it's a nice place. So let's just, so also I would like to share that Taiwan is one of those Asian country that has accepted the same-sex marriage, and I'm glad I'm in one of the country. They are very liberal and open-minded about this thing. So yeah. So let's go inside this Red House and see how it looks from inside. see there is a board outside which says Creative Boutique. So yeah, they sell those things inside. So whatever the famous attractions and places in Taiwan, they sell them in a very creative and different ways, as you saw. So yeah, it was nice. And since this place is very near to the place where we were in, the Xiaomi, sorry, my apologies, it's not Xiaomi, it's Xiamen. So yeah, the place, so I don't know how am I pronouncing correct or not, it's Ximen. So Xiamen, however you pronounce it. So all this while I was thinking it's Xiaomi, and because that was quite catchy in my hand, and I was thinking, oh okay, it's Xiaomi. So no, it's not Xiaomi, it's Xiamen. And our place, our hotel is very close to this red house, and it's also close to the market over here. So I thought let's just drop by before we leave this place, because now we are going to go to the cable car, gondola cable car. So see, I was like saying it in Bengali, gondogol. That's really funny. So So we arrived at our destination. This is Maokang Gondola place, but the MRT is Taipei Zoo. So the zoo is under maintenance, so we cannot go inside the zoo. And moreover, we came just to get the ride of this cable car, and this place is Maokang Gondola. So yeah, let's get inside. We are going to sit on one of those cable cars. So before that, we will fill ourselves with some food, because it's kind of 1 o'clock now, and we don't know what will be available on that side where the cable car is gonna take us. So let's just eat something. Okay, let's see what is available here. This Maokang place. Maokang. So we couldn't find any nice options available for the lunch. So let's first get inside this cable car, and let's see whether we can find something on the other side. I'm sure there will be something, because here I can find only ice creams and some, some snack items. So I don't like them much. So let's go to the other side. And found this place. There is a nice cafeteria and gift shops. So we thought let's first have our kind of a lunch, more of a snack though. We have ordered some pizza and some cheese toast and some cappuccino. So cappuccino for my husband, because I'm not a coffee lover, not a TV lover as well. Can you see this lovely view behind me? So yes, we arrived at the highest point. I guess this is the highest point of Taipei because we took the cable car and there were 4 stops and this is the 4th stop and this is the peak point of Taipei. So you can figure that out when you are looking into that from the window. So when you look outside from the cable car window, you can see that we are reaching to the highest point, and there are roads as well. You can take the road, taxi, hire a car, but we prefer to take the cable car because that's nice way to come here, because when you go up and down, that's really, it's another feeling. It's amazing. So there are some restaurants here, there are a few places, there are restrooms. So you can, and today the weather is really better than yesterday. Yesterday it was really humid and hot. So today it's kind of cloudy and you can see it's favorable. So I guess they are saying bye-bye to me because today is my last day in Taiwan. So we'll roam here till quite some time. So we'll roam here for some time and then we'll take some pictures and I'll capture a few nice shots of this place, and then yeah, let's decide where we'll go. कोरिया में रहने के बाद जब हम ताइवान आए तो बहुत बुरा लग रहा था मेरे को, बिकॉज दिस इज़ समर सीजन एंड कोरिया में मस्त क्लाइमेट था. इट वॉज लाइक आई डोंट फील लाइक आई एम इन द समर, इट्स लाइक आई फेल्ट लाइक इट्स विंटर ऑलरेडी. तो अच्छा सीज़न था. और जैसे हम ताइवान में आए, आई वॉज लिटिल सैड बिकॉज द वेदर इज़ लाइक Singapore and it's humid and it was hot, sunny. Okay, so I was really upset, but today I'm happy that the weather is nice and it's nice that you can, because I'll be roaming whole day outside because we have already given up our luggages. हमने already check out कर लिया है, तो इसलिए आज हम सारा दिन बाहर ही घूमते रहेंगे. तो जब हम बाहर घूम रहे हैं और धूप नहीं है तो थैंक्स टू गॉड, थैंक्स टू ताइवान, अच्छा लग रहा है. और हाँ, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, मेरे FB पेज को लाइक करिए, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो देयर इन इंस्टाग्राम. तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम को आप फॉलो कीजिए, द टिंकास एंड द टिंकास ऑफिशियल. तो या एक्चुअली आपको एक और बात बतानी थी, दैट वी हैव बुक दिस फ्रॉम Klook. तो Klook में कंसेशन था, और अगर आप ऐसे बुक करने जाओगे तो इट विल कॉस्ट यू मोर. सो आप Klook से बुक करिएगा, एंड आई विल बी शेयरिंग यू द लिंक डाउनवर्ड्स. सो द टिकट counter, we checked out the rates and was really high. So we booked it from online, and there we got some 10 SGD discount. So that's a good difference. Like, they were charging us 28 SGD if I convert in to get this cable car for up and down for to and fro. So to and fro they were charging 28, but I got it booked for some $9.90. So that was a pretty cool deal. So if you want to do that, I will share the description. I will share the link in my description box. You can check it out, and if you install the app and and you buy anything from that link, you will get some discount, because I'll be referring you, so you will get some discount. So go give it a try. You will like it, I'm sure, and it will give you some reasonable and cool rates. So yeah, it's not only for Taiwan, it's whole across the world. So you can book wherever you're going, whatever you want to, the rides, the tourist attractions, the day tour, anything, okay? So just go check it out. There is a temple on top of this hill, so I'm going to visit there. I'm going to visit the temple, and we need to walk a little bit from here, because it's little, I'm not sure how far, but it's a little far from here. Let's figure it out. Since we have a lot of time, so we thought we'll just take a break here. So there was a nice label, says tea, food and view. So yeah, let's enjoy all of them. I'm not going to drink tea, I'm not a tea lover, but I'm going to enjoy the view, and let's see if I can grab something for myself. You know, if you walk, if you tend to walk, you feel a little hungry. So, and they say the tea is famous here, and Taipei has a tea estate as well. So the tea is famous here, then why not? Maybe I'll try a sip today. sitting here, and our flight is at 12, so we are going to wait for a little some time. So it's 9 p.m. now, and didn't check in right now. We are sitting here. Please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon.